Josh, the stock has been all over the place. I feel like investors can't figure out if it's a pandemic winner or a long-term secular winner or what. What are you hearing from the investor crowd?
You know, I think there's been a lot of changes across the world through the pandemic, and certainly e-commerce has been affected more than most. And Etsy grew enormously during the pandemic. And so the question that's been on everyone's mind is how much of those gains are going to stick? And we're really thrilled by the fact that it appears that the vast majority of gains that we got through the pandemic are sticking. For example, in the third quarter, we announced that we did about $2.6 billion of gross merchandise sales. That's up from $1.1 billion of sales in the same third quarter pre-pandemic. So while millions of people had to shop on Etsy during the pandemic because they had very few other choices, it appears that they're coming back again and again now, even though they have every other choice.
Yeah, remember when you were breaking down the percentage of revenues that came from masks? It feels like a long time ago. So
yeah, and masks are an insignificant. I'm sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, no, they're insignificant. I know. That's sort of what I was implying. So the second half of the year, especially here, we've heard and seen softness in e-commerce and Amazon and Shopify and some of the others. How have you maintained the resilience? And are you seeing any sign of that?
You know, we shared in our third quarter earnings call that actually October was robust for us, and we saw some acceleration in October. And then we shared an outlook for the fourth quarter that said we're going to do between $3.6 and $4 billion of gross merchandise sales was our guidance, which we think is really robust, particularly when we compare it to last year when there were so many supply chain issues that also benefited Etsy and Etsy sellers. So we're comping that. And we gave what we thought was pretty robust guidance. What our research says is, you know, of course, people right now are very value conscious. They also, if they're going to buy fewer things, they want those things to mean more. And Etsy, that's our sweet spot. Etsy has millions of things for sale that have a lot of meaning and are priced at a really fair price.
Well, I heard the exact same quote this week from Jenna Drosos, the CEO of Signet. Fewer things, but more valuable. And they had a really good quarter as well. So, and I know you can't give any read on holiday sales or Cyber Monday or anything like that. You're going to wait for earnings. But how do you compete on Black Friday sales with a Walmart or an Amazon if you don't take inventory?
You know, our sellers have a lot of tools. We've invested a lot to give our sellers tools so they can decide to put items on sale and how much they want to put items on sale. And many of our sellers are deciding to do that. But the other thing is that I think people are really realizing that they want to buy things from other humans, and that sure, you can mass produce things abroad in units of 20,000 and it's cheap to mass produce them, but then you've got to put it on a boat, to put it in a port, to put it on a train, to put it in a van, to send it to your home. And there's 3 markups along the way or 4 markups along the way. When a seller makes something just for you and then she sends it to you, there's no markups between her and you. And so she can make something really beautiful just for you and sell it at a really fair price.
Speaking of sellers, how do you keep them happy and on the platform when there are other areas and other places they can go, competition, they can sell it, they can have their own brand shop on Shopify or third party on Amazon? How do you retain them and grow them?
Sure, our sellers have many places they can sell. And we had about 2.2 million sellers before the pandemic. We have well over 5 million sellers on Etsy right now, and they're coming and they're staying because Etsy brings them buyers who value what they sell. Millions, in fact, almost 90 million active buyers on the platform right now. And we're investing a lot in marketing. You know, we're really pulling out all the stops to make sure that our sellers have the best holiday season. This is the Super Bowl for them. And so we're investing in marketing. We've launched an Etsy purchase protection program recently. You know, we've really stepped up customer support. So our sellers are really well supported so they can succeed.